Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box because it will transfer you to our website where you can find all of the codes which I will present you today in this video, but many more, for example, more hard reset tutorials, soft reset and other really useful information about this particular device. Alright, so let's start with opening the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the shortest options which we can use here, and maybe let's begin with the probably the most known code. It is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with technical info about our device, so the email numbers and the serial number. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the kind of a general information about the device. It is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *##09#. And as you can see, here we've got again email numbers, the software build version, the RAM and ROM size. We've got also the QR codes which you can scan and learn much more about this section. Alright, let's start with longer codes, and maybe let's start with the code which is pretty specific, I would say. It is *#558#. And as you can see, this is a kind of a factory reset, factory test, not reset, section where you can kind of check the components of your device. So we can enter this Q whatever. What is that? I'm not sure. Okay, it's OQC test. All right, because of the lightning, I really couldn't read it, but that's okay. Let's enter this option. Let's pretend that I've scanned this code firstly, and let's tap on it. And right here, basically, you can check the components of your device. As you can see, I've already checked my file manager, which simply means that after tapping on this option, we will be transferred to our manager. Let's give all the permissions, and basically here you've got the categories. You can enter all of them, and if you think you're done with the test, simply go back. And your device will ask you if everything was okay. So if it was, just tap on normal. If not, you can mark an error and you can take more steps which will help you to resolve the problem, but you can just mark normal and it is okay. The same situation with, for example, this option, just tap on normal, email number. If you can see both email numbers, just go back and tap that it was normal. So this is how to check your device basically, and I highly recommend to do it so you can be sure that everything is all right with your device. Here we've got the settings, the privacy and the debugging port. Alright, so that will be all for this code, and let me introduce you to the diagnostics section or mode, which is provided and powered by Google. It is *##426####. And here we've got the diagnostics. So here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also be right here. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical events and information actually. Right now we can tap on the three dots icon and show advanced view. Just mark it and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *##225###. And as you can see, we are in the version test. So again, a technical code thanks to which we can check technical info about our device. So the custom type, again, email numbers. So as you can see, the email numbers are really important. The software build version, again, the product number, etc. So this is how to do it. And the last code, which I can show you today, is the *##4636###. And as you can see, we are in the testing mode. So another kind of technical code, which will show you the phone info, Wi-Fi info, and usage statistics. Let's start maybe with the Wi-Fi information. We can check the API configuration and the status. So let me tap on this one, for example. We can refresh the stats, and as you can see here, we've got the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back. The usage statistics. So briefly here we've got the list of all apps and the processes which are currently ongoing on this device, and basically right now you can check the time you've spent on the particular apps. So for example, the settings, in my case almost 16 minutes, the camera 5 minutes, etc. You can sort it by usage time, last time use, or app name, so it's up to you. And the phone information here, another technical info like the email number, again of course, current network and data network type, voice service. We can run ping test also here. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can also view SIM address book or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.